So good morning, engineering buddies. So here we go again on another day, another set of problems here in engineering mathematics. So we're down to our problem number 4 in sphere. So let's solve this problem. If a solid steel ball is immersed in an 8 centimeter diameter cylinder, it displaces water to a depth of 2.25 centimeter. The radius of this ball is, so as I remember, nasolve na natin ito sa sample problem natin sa cylinder. So, ulitin lang ulit natin yung concept. So, tandaan nyo lang, kapag may ganitong tanong, ang volume ng sphere is equal siya sa volume displaced. Ibig sabihin ng volume displaced, nung itinaas na tubig, volume nung tinaas na tubig, yun yung volume ng sphere. So, ang volume ng sphere natin is 4 over third pi r cube. So, yung hinahanap natin dito yung radius ng ball. So, volume displaced. So, paano ba natin malalaman yung volume displaced? So, since nasa cylinder shape siya, so, cylindrical din yung shape ng tubig natin, which is pi over 4. Ano ba yung radius nung, di ba ang volume na cylinder is area ng base times height. So, yung base niya is circular in shape. So, pi over 4 d squared. So, 8. And then, depth na 2.25. Yan. So, makakuha tayo ang volume dito ng radius. So, pwede na natin siyang rektahin sa scientific calculator natin. So, pi over 4 64. So, 27. So, cube root ng 27 is 3. So, 3 centimeter yung volume, yung radius ng bola natin. Okay? Sana nag-gets guys, madali lang siya, no? So, common din to lumalabas sa board exam, guys. So, please take note of the problem na to. Okay? So, next problem tayo, problem number 5. How far from the center of a sphere of radius 10 centimeters should a plane be passed so that the radius of the so that the ratio of the areas of two zones is 3:7. So, paano nga ba ito sinasolve? Paano sinasolve itong ganitong problem? So, let's draw a sphere here. Ayan natin. So, sabihin natin may ganyan. So, for drawing purposes lang to guys, ha. Huwag niyo seryosohin. Yan. So, yan. Sabihin natin may ganyan. So, alam natin, ito daw ay 10. So, let's call it h. So, since ano to, so ito 20 minus h. Ang hinanap dito, far from the center sphere of radius. So, itong point na to, sabi natin x. Yung x na yung hinahanap. So, that daw, yung ratio ng areas ng two zone is 3:7. So, paano ba kunin yung area ng zone? So, area ng zone is 2 pi r h. Apply natin dito. So, area ng upper zone all over area ng lower zone is 3:7. Okay? So, area ng upper zone is just equal to 2 pi r. Yung r na is 10 h. Okay? So, ito yung area, ito yung upper zone natin. Okay? Ito yung upper zone. So, ito yung lower zone. Yung r na ginagamit natin, guys, is r no sphere. Okay? Radius ng sphere. So, next. Area ng lower zone is 2 pi r is 10 h. Ano yung height niya? 20 minus h. Then, equal siya sa 3/7. So, dito madami makakancel. Makakancel si 2 pi, makakancel si 10. So, matitira sa ating value is h over 20 minus h is equal to 3/7. So, pwede na tayong mag-calculator dyan. X is equal to 6. Yung h mo is 6 centimeter. Pero hindi naman yun yung hinahanap natin. Yung hinahanap natin yung x. So, paano makukuha yung x? Di ba alam natin, ito daw, ito ay radius din. Tama? Twenty minus h. Pag minus natin itong h, 14. 10 minus 4, 4 centimeter. X natin is 4 centimeter. X. 4 centimeter value ng x natin. Which is letter B. Okay? So, last problem for today. So, we're problem number 6. A 2-meter diameter spherical tank contains 1396 liters of water. How many liters of water must be added for the water to reach a depth of 1.75 meters? Drawing natin. Ano palang taasan natin. Sabi natin may ganyan. Yan. So, meron tayong radius dito. Reduce. Ito daw is 1.75. So, dito may tubig. May tubig. May tubig na laman. Okay. So, ulitin natin. A 2-meter diameter spherical tank contains 30-90 liters of water. How many liters of water must be added for the water to reach a depth of 1.75 meters? Balikan natin yung formula. So, dito sa ano natin, concept, meron tayo tinatawag na spherical segment of one base. So, yung ginamit natin kanina, area ng zone, 2 pi RH. Then, itong volume ng spherical segment, ito yung mismo segment na to, is ayan. So, gamitin natin siya dito. So, volume ng spherical segment is just pi h squared over 3r minus h, whereas the h is yung height nung tubig, itong 1.75. So, volume ng spherical segment is pi 1.75 squared all over 3r. Yung r natin is 1 minus 2.75. So, calculate nyo na lang guys. Sinulve ko na kasi to. Meron tayong makukuhang value na 4,009 cubic meter. Ngayon, yung volume added na dinagdag para makakuha tayo ng value na H na 1.75, hindi minus mo lang itong nakuha natin na 4,900 cubic meter. In liters na pala to guys ha. Liters. Liters minus yung 1,396. So, yung volume added is just 2,613 liters. So, yan yung sagot natin. Letter A. So, yan. So, madali lang siya guys, no? Gamitin lang natin yung mga formulas. And then kung ano yung mga variables nung formula na yan. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, meron pa tayong natitirang problem. So, 1, 2. So, last two problems sa sphere. Then, after the sphere, we will now go to analytic geometry. After analytic geometry, doon na tayo sa higher mathematics na tayo, which is differential calculus. So, happy learning, keep watching, and padayon engineers.